Hello family, it is sweet potato season and I have this delicious melt in your mouth like a yummy moist cake sweet potato cornbread. Oh my goodness, if you have not had a sweet potato cornbread, this is the recipe for you with a cinnamon honey butter glaze. Oh my goodness, this is gonna turn heads at that table. Let's begin first of all with our dry ingredients. Here I'm using some organic flour. I have some cornmeal. I'm using the fine cornmeal. If you have the coarse one, you can use that too. Adding some baking powder, baking soda, a little bit of salt, cinnamon, nutmeg. We're gonna mix all of this together. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, join the family. All the ingredients to this recipe is gonna be in the description box of this video. We are making sweet potato cornbread. And like I said, I used the fine cornmeal, but I have used the medium coarse one before too. Here I'm adding some organic cane sugar, followed by some organic light brown sugar. We're gonna give this a good mix. Make sure the eggs that you're gonna use for this recipe, the sour cream and the buttermilk, make sure it's at room temperature, meaning you have to bring it out of the refrigerator before getting started. Here I'm using sweet potato that I baked in the oven, and now I'm mixing it in my mixer to get the strings out. Then I'm adding in my eggs one at a time, okay? Make sure your eggs are at room temperature, okay? You only need 2 eggs for this recipe. And your sweet potato, I encourage you to bake it in the oven. Then after that, you smash it in a bowl, then you add it into your mixer. If you want to boil it, that's fine, but I just feel like baking your sweet potato leaves the more of the yumminess. It's just more flavor. Then go ahead and add your sour cream and your buttermilk. Yes. Once that's finished, you give it a good mix. Then we're gonna just go ahead and add our dry ingredients. And we have sweet potato cornbread. It's really easy to make. Once everything has mixed in really well, then we're gonna get ready to use our skillet for this recipe. A skillet just makes it bake so much better, okay? If you are watching and you've made it this far, come and join the family. Click that subscribe button. Here I'm gonna melt my 1 stick of unsalted butter in my skillet. Just make sure you turn your stove down. Then you're gonna, once everything's melted, go ahead and add your wet batter into your skillet, and then you want to go ahead and smooth it all around so it just looks good on the top. Then once it's there, get it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. After that, you make a cinnamon honey butter. I use butter, cinnamon, and honey for this topping glaze. And you can find the ingredients to that recipe in the description box. You're just gonna melt the butter, add a little cinnamon, add some honey, whisk it together, and when your cornbread comes out, you wanna put it on immediately while that cornbread is hot, so at that it melts on the top. Oh my goodness. And the thing I like about this cinnamon honey butter glaze is not that sweet, just a little light, and it's so good. Look at this, guys. This looks so good. Absolutely delicious. If you are watching and you've made it this far, join the family. If you've never baked and you need to learn how to bake basic things for the holidays, this is the place for you. Cut into that, and oh my goodness, this is so good. Enjoy this with your holiday meals, enjoy this with your chili, or just enjoy it just because. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and oh my gosh, enjoy this cornbread. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.